So now that you've purchased your lace wig, the next step is customizing it into your likings. And you can do so by bleaching the knots and also plucking a natural looking hairline. The process can be tedious and may appear difficult to those inexperienced with any type of lace products. So this is a service that we do offer to anyone that's ordering any lace products from us, whether it's lace wigs, lace frontals, lace closures, 360 frontals. The process in bleaching the knots and plucking the hairline is all the same. So all the products that you're going to need to bleach your knots was purchased at Sally's. I chose the 30 volume developer, a Salon Care, a powder lightener from Color Brilliance Ion, shears, T-pins, a mixing bowl, and a painting brush. So what you want to do first is open your 1 ounce lightening packet and pour the entire packet into your mixing bowl. Next, start by adding your 30 volume developer in small increments into your mixing bowl. You want to start small and add more as you're mixing to ensure that you get a thick, pasty mixture. You want to make sure that this mixture is thick and not runny or watery. That way it won't seep through your lace onto your hair. So now that you got your thick pasty mixture, what you want to do is start to lightly brush the bleach onto your lace wig. Now for this video's sake, I only put the bleach mainly in the front of the wig because that's where I would do most of my parting and styling and etc. That's what will be most visible on how I'll be wearing this wig. But if you want, you can apply the bleach all the way around your hairline. And so whenever you're applying your bleach along your hairline, you always want to make sure that you go a little beyond the hairline just to make sure that all of the knots get bleached. And so after you're finished, this is what it should look like. And you will let this sit for at least 15 or so minutes. And as it's bleaching, you always want to make sure that your knots don't get over bleached. So you can just comb out a little bit of the bleach just to check and see how it's looking. And after 15 minutes or so, this is what it would look like. So after your knots have been bleached and you have rinsed out the bleach with neutralizing shampoo, the next step is plucking your hairline. And this is basically giving you a more thin, natural looking hairline. There's no specific method in doing this. You can just pluck to your likings, to your desire, and just create a thin, more realistic looking hairline. There's no right or wrong way to do this. It's all up to you. And so once your knots have been bleached and your hairline has been plucked, this is how your wig would look. You have a more natural looking hairline. So if you haven't done so already, you can order lace wigs, lace frontals, lace closures, 360 frontals, all on bollywigs.com.